Welcome back! Today I'll show you how to turn Claude into your personal AI assistant. For more hands-on AI learning, check out aipreper. Let's begin. Go to Claude AI and click the ++ button below the chat box. Select Connectors, then click Add Connectors. Search for Google Calendar and connect. That's it. Your calendar is now connected. Claude can do much more than simply view your schedule. It can help you manage your calendar using natural language. For example, if you want to find overlapping meetings, just type, "Find scheduling conflicts in my calendar for the next 2 days." Claude will instantly identify any conflicting events and show you exactly where the overlaps occur. Let's take it one step further. I'll use this prompt. Reschedule all conflicting meetings and add a 15-minute buffer between meetings. Claude reviews the schedule, finds the conflicts, and updates the calendar for you, without needing to manually open and edit each event. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more AI tutorials. Download AI Prepper today on Android and iOS.